Understanding Rainwater Quality, a simple guide. Hello, everyone. Today, we're going to explore an important environmental topic, rainwater quality. Understanding this concept is crucial, not only for English language learners but for anyone interested in environmental studies and sustainability. So, let's dive into what makes rainwater quality a subject worth discussing. Let's start with the basics. Rainwater is simply water that falls from the sky during a rain event. It's a part of the natural water cycle, which includes evaporation, condensation, and precipitation. Rainwater can be pure, but it often picks up impurities as it falls to the earth. Now, let's focus on the term rainwater quality. It refers to the purity and safety of rainwater. This includes considering what contaminants may be present in the rainwater, such as pollutants from the air, and how these contaminants affect the environment and human health. Several factors can impact the quality of rainwater. These include 1. Air pollution. Pollutants released into the air can be absorbed by rainwater. 2. Geographical location. Areas with more industrial activity tend to have poorer rainwater quality. 3. Weather patterns. Certain weather conditions can increase the concentration of pollutants in rainwater. Understanding and maintaining good rainwater quality is crucial because it affects the health of ecosystems. It impacts agricultural productivity. It's essential for safe drinking water in some communities. To measure rainwater quality, scientists look at various indicators, such as pH level, indicates the acidity of the rainwater. Presence of heavy metals, like lead or mercury. Organic pollutants, such as pesticides or industrial chemicals. In conclusion, rainwater quality is a vital environmental concern. It's a reflection of the overall health of our planet and affects everything from our ecosystems to our own well-being. I hope this video has given you a clear understanding of what rainwater quality means and why it's so important. Thank you for watching, and let's continue to learn and care for our environment together.